Let's talk about 3 mistakes that I made. I've been baking since 2005, but it took me more than a decade to understand why my hobby wasn't making the money it should have been making. And the truth is, it had nothing to do with my talent. It was everything happening behind the scenes. Baking originally became a comfort for me and not a business plan. Back in high school, you all, my first treat was simple monkey bread. And I had no idea that moment would follow me into the hardest years of my life. And in 2011, a coworker offered me that my kids are at home. No traffic, no rain, no warning. She had it right away. Listen, and out of nowhere, a car ran the stop sign and hit us. My kids slipped out of their car seats. I was pinned in the drop of left to move my entire left side of my body. I had to do therapy after therapy, trying to walk, trying to, do function, like having my body to function correctly. And right in the middle of all that, I found out that I was pregnant. The doctor told me I carried this baby with paralyzed me from the waist down. I was young, I was scared, I was unemployed. And for the first time in my family history, I even considered an abortion. Everybody around me told me just go on through with the disability, take the check, settle. Something in me refused. It was the God in me refused. I needed something with my hands. Something that was peaceful, something that reminded me of myself. So I ended up doing big strong years. And no, I could not just settle for the 638 disability, right? This little thing became the beginning of my comeback. I worked my way back slowly. I got a caregiver job for flexibility. I forced myself through school, earning social security in the county. Still trying to raise 3 kids. Then I realized the first person who ever said he encouraged me to try candy apples. And together we made strawberries and candy apples for the holidays. But even then, it wasn't business. I had no system. I had no order forms. I had no customer process, right? No real prices, just talent and a holiday hustle. And the hard truth hit me later. The hard truth hit me later when I went back to school for my bachelor's degree. I had been running my business like a highway, LLC. I had to get in, but when it came down to funding contracts, business credit, PPP loans, I couldn't qualify because my business was unorganized and I had no structure. I had no records. I had nothing. Right? So when doing something scary, at the end of the day, I closed everything and I rebuilt it from scratch. And during this rebuild, I am realizing that there are thousands of women just like me, talented, hardworking, dedicated, but unorganized, underpriced, and undersupported. That's why your hobby isn't making money yet. Mistake number 1, you're unorganized. Not because you're lazy, but because you've never been shown how to treat your hobby like a business. You have screenshots everywhere, notes everywhere, prices you made up one day because they felt right, and a social media feed that looks cute but doesn't got customers. Mistake number 2, you're guessing your prices. I used to charge $20 for something that cost me $17 to make. I truly believed I was winning. When you don't have a real pricing system, you're working harder, you're earning less, you're also burning out even faster. As you all can see here, it used to be my station. And I want to let you guys know, do you see how very unorganized it is? How all over the place that it is? Come on, somebody. And listen, mistake number 3, you're posting, but you're not selling. Likes don't equal money. I used to post pretty pictures with no system, no weekly plan, no clear way for people to order from me. People were confused about my talent. They were confused about how to buy. And that's when everything shifted for me. Once I organized my business, listen, everything else, come on somebody, I created a real order form. I built a pricing system, planned my weekly posting schedule, and learned how to speak to my ideal customer. I started seeing consistent orders. Come on, somebody, real orders, not just holidays, not just friends and family business. And that's why I created a Treatpreneur starter bundle. It's everything I wish someone had given me years ago. The order form that would have saved me time, the pricing system that would have stopped me from losing money, the content plan that would have helped me grow faster. You don't have to start over like I did. You could start it today. And in the next episode, I'm going to show you how to take the first step to getting organized in just 8 minutes a day. So you make sure you subscribe. You deserve to build the business you've been dreaming of.